Hello, everyone. My name is Philip Joseph Garay, and I'm from San Antonio, Texas, and a Navy veteran. I am 57 years old, and I'm going through some changes in my life where I'm changing my career. I'm changing everything that's in front of me, and I had been researching different industries to look into and try to see if I can get my foot in the door. The drone command was probably one of the best opportunities that I saw out there. Everything else required a lot more time and a lot more equipment and a lot more expense just to get up and running. My biggest takeaway from the event so far is that I am learning a lot about the industry that I did not know about. I didn't know that you had to take a test with the FAA. No problem, it'll get done. Um, I didn't know what kind of drones were the best ones, so this was a very good live seminar for me to learn some of the basics and get the information in front of me before I make a decision. So far, so good. It looks like I am headed towards the I'm going to do this thing instead of I need to pass on to something else. I think right now everybody that's attending is doing the same thing that I'm doing. They're just absorbing the information that's coming in. A lot of this information is brand spanking new to me, and I've never seen it. In the military, I had to do a lot of what I'm doing now, which is get the information in front of you and understand it and study it before you implement it. So this is perfect. I'm glad that they're doing it in 3 days instead of taking weeks. It is a little extensive, but I kind of like that. I'm ready for that. So far, I think that Damon and Diego are very charismatic, and they come through the camera, knowledgeable and friendly, and you kind of want to be their friend in a way, you know. So they're down to earth, and you can feel that. I like that they're not with the talking points. They go off a little bit on tangents here and there, and that's kind of good because it gives you a real life understanding of where they're coming from. I think right now this is the best time to get in this industry because of its infancy, and because there isn't as much competition as you may think. This is probably the best place that I have found so far that's going to be giving you the information to fast track to a successful drone business.